In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speakers to your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you'll come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select Bluetooth and devices. And then on the right side, select where it says add a device or add device in the devices category. Make sure your speakers are connected to your home Wi-Fi settings as well as powered up. And then you would select Bluetooth and then follow through with the on-screen wizard. And that's what you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.